What I most appreciate is Bell has that anytime, day or night, here's a number you can call and someone will pick up and help you. But it's not just the team of like a call center, but these are individual people. It's the engineers, it's the flight support crew. There's always somebody there to help out. And that means a lot when you are just the single ship operator.
It's always been great service from the start. As we grew, we never had any problems. We have 25 locations around the West there, and we specifically use Bell 407s. And we love having the fleet. We love the service provided. It's efficient. The costs are very low in a Bell 407, and so we love that. Love being able to have parts when we need them readily available. And the support is great. New training facility really helps us with our pilots too, which is great. So when you have 25 Bell 407s, it's sure nice to have all that support.
The service have been critical for us in terms of the legacy model machines, and Bell has served us really, really well. In today's time where we see supply chain choking up, this relationship we have with Bell is ever more important. We've come 25 years with Bell, we're proud to be associated with Bell, and we look forward to the next 25 years with Bell.
We like to be there with the customer. If it's a new customer to a product, then we spend a lot more time with them to get them comfortable with the aircraft. But there's things you just don't know, and you need somebody there to just not hold your hand, but reassure you that what you're doing is correct. And we do that to build that relationship with the customer, because at Bell and in our position, it's all about the relationship. The product's fantastic, it sells itself, but the service is where it really happens.